What's up guy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to claim free Litecoin for free. Then you can withdraw to your Binance account or any of the accounts you are using or Trust Wallet. Then you sell to BUSD or BS or USDT. So follow all the steps I'm going to show you in this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, please, I'm begging you, get me to 1k subscribers. Guy, please get me to 1k subscribers. Yes, I'm looking at you right now. You haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. You don't have to do that for me, bro. Click on the subscribe button with the, turn on the notification bell. So let's get started.
And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to mine free Litecoin to your wallet with ease, without any stress. And it's totally free, as you don't need to invest any money or to spend any money to achieve this process. Now, before we get started with me showing you guys the process and
hold on guys. So before we continue, I'm going to be giving out free 600 IOTS token, IOTS coin to first six people to subscribe and drop their IOTX address in my comments down below. So if you want to win this free IOTX, make sure you download your IOP wallet and drop the address like this. You can drop the address, just copy the address from your wallet. Once you are download, you can send address from Trust Wallet, but make sure it's on IOTX native coin you are sending. So you can see the address started from IO1. So that's how you're going to do it. I'm going to give out this stake coin, so I can send it out. If I want to send it out to someone, I can actually send it out. So this is my stake. So if I want to transfer the bucket to another someone, like transfer, yeah, this is how I'm going to do it. I can send it out to for a giveaways winner. So I'm going to start off with this 500. Then after the stake token countdown, then you can sell your token and convert it to money as you like. So but don't forget to like and subscribe before we run this giveaway. Okay guys, thank you.
so you click on this copy here, click on receive, and you copy your LTC address, and then you proceed back to the website, and then you paste your LTC address in there. And then having pasted your LTC address, the next thing you have to do is to choose any specific password of your choice. So just choose any password of your choice, guys. So choose any password of your choice, and then you set it. Okay, so I've been mining on this platform already, and I've been able to mine over 0.05 Litecoin. And mind you, this website is totally free, and you don't need to invest any money. All you just have to is to mine, except if on your own personal decision you want to upgrade on your plans. But I best advise you mine on the free plan first, and then make your withdrawal before trying to upgrade or anything. Do your own personal research about this website before investing, and even if you invest in, don't invest what you can't afford to lose. So now I'm mining on the free plan. I did not purchase, and neither did I buy any upgrade. So I'm actually mining on the free plan right now. So all you have to do right here is you just set up an account and it starts mining automatically. You can see it here reading down. Okay, so now you set up an account, and the next thing you have to link your email address. Okay, so you click to link your email. You also have to link your email so that when you get to forget your login, then you can actually remember from your email. So on that, your account is set up, and then you just keep mining. And then so far as the dashboard is open, the mining continues, and it just keeps reading into your wallet. So after that, the next thing you have to do is, if you want to withdraw from this platform, it is very simple. All you have to do if you want to withdraw from this platform is to hit on this withdraw button right here, and as you can see that the minimum withdrawal balance for this is 0.05, and I have 0.05204. So I can actually withdraw from this balance. So all I have to do is to enter the amount which I want to withdraw. So let me enter 0.05204 122. So let's see if we can get to withdraw everything. So we click on confirm withdrawal, guys. So it's processing right now, and as you can see here, it says your withdrawal request was successfully recorded, you will receive your payment in a few minutes. Okay, so it's only about to take a few minutes for you to receive, and as you can see here, our balance has cleared up right here. So now let's getting back to our dashboard here. As you can see here, our balance has cleared up and then the mining has continued. Okay, so here on our dashboard, as you can see, we've successfully withdrawn and mining has continued. Okay, so let's go to our trust wallet to see if our withdrawal was successful. So let me refresh this page right now. Okay, it's not yet here. They said in a few minutes, so just hold on a little bit. Okay, so automatically, guys, you can see right here we've received 0.0460412 LTC, which is worth $2.91 to our trust wallet. Very fast and very easy from this particular website, which helps you to mine. So all you have to do is to sign up and then mine on this website. I best recommend that you don't invest. This is because some of these websites are just new and just starting up, so you just need to do it. Learn more about this website before going in deep into it. Or if you've made your own research and you feel it's right for you, I'm not a financial advisor, you can go ahead and invest, but don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Okay, you can go ahead and buy their plans and stuff. So, but don't invest what you can't afford to lose.